Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Training Series. Let me introduce you to the newest and affordable combi technology by Atosa. Our units have a sleek patent design with a triple pane flat tempered glass. Unit sizes come as 5, 7, and 10 half sheet pan configurations, along with a 6 and 10 full sheet pan configurations. Our combis have a condensed footprint, close to the size of a convection oven. Units are stackable and can be placed on a stand as well. The 10-inch smart touchscreen has a large cooking process icons with clear, colorful, vibrant graphics. The chef touch controls are user-friendly and easily access combi modes and a library of programmed recipes. In addition, Atosa's combis have Combi Smart Touch, a process where you can program multiple stage cooking, manual cooking, core probe cooking, and cook and hold functions. The Smart Touch rack timing is used for mixed batch cooking services like banquets, buffets, and a la carte restaurant service. Our patent steam technology was designed for maximizing steam saturation and humidity. Atosa combis have Smart Cooking, which is an automated cabinet monitoring system that monitors cooking temperature, humidity, and load size. Our 8 fan speeds with reverse balancing gives the perfect distribution of heat and cooking for browning. The USB storage is great for sharing combi recipes, programs, and HACCP data with multiple units at multiple locations. The Atosa Service Monitoring System safely monitors the unit to protect and ensure oven remains in safe working order. A 6-mode automated combi wash system bases its needs for cleaning on soil and usage. It includes automatic shutdown and unlock when the unit is finished cleaning. In addition, Atosa Combi's wash system is approved for the use with proprietary liquid cleaners and rinse agents. These combis have a twin fill tank that automatically reminds the user to add cleaner and rinse agent when the tank is low. And a high pressure coil wash hose is ideal for quick flush or manual cabinet quick rinse. Lastly, the unit power requirements is 208-240, 3-phase, 30 to 90 amp service. Each unit will come with the full install package of a water line, water filtration, drain line, full training online or in person. Available option accessory package will include a grilling pan, French fry basket, baking pan, and a wire shelf rack. Thank you for watching our video.